Hi guys, are facing this type of error AW snap exclamation? Something went wrong while displaying this web page. Now you are in the right place. Okay, just follow this step and your problem will be fixed. Okay, this type of error can happen for various reasons like browser box, a low memory, corrupted cache, or conflicting extensions. Okay, there are some guides, just follow and your problem will be fixed. Okay, the first step is that you have to reload the web page. Okay, if you are facing this issue, and just reload, okay, the first time, and if the problem keeps remain, and after go to the second solution, that is clear cache and cookies. Go to these three dots and scroll down, and here is setting, and after here you can find out clear browsing data under the privacy and security tab. Just click here, and here just delete cookies. Okay, you can choose all time and just delete, and go to advanced and choose all time, and you can choose these types of all this. Okay, tick mark, and you can delete the cache or browsing data history from your PC or Chrome, right? And this one is the second method. If problems keep same, then after what I have to do is go to the three dot again and go to extension tab and go to click the manage extension, and if you find there are any tabs of extension, just right click and disable. Okay, then just reload page and try the problem fixed or not. If not fixed, then after use the incognito mode. Right, just click here and you can find out here any new incognito window. Just click that and you can try from here. Okay, if the problem keeps remain, after you have to close the background apps if there are so many background apps. Okay, if there are so many tabs in your Google Chrome. Okay, and you have to just close all the tabs or the application running in the taskbar. Right click and close, and after try problem fixed or not. Okay, if the problem keeps remain, then click the three dot and go to the downside, click help, and update your Chrome with internet. Okay, you have to must connect with the internet while updating. Okay, now the next solution is that just click here three dot and go to the setting and just reset the setting. Click that and reset your browser. Okay, then after close the browser and there is go to the Chrome and right click and go to the location folder, right click and go to properties, and after compatibility and click here on is program compatibility mode, and here you have to select Windows 8 and offline. And okay, now what I have to do is just click start menu and restart the Windows, and after check the problem fixed or not. Okay, if problem fixed, let me know in the comment box, and if you face any type of issue after, also let me know in the comment box. I will guide you, help you. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to support me. Okay, thanks.